Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charu's knitting. Thank you everyone for subscribing my channel and support me. Thank you very much. This is the second part. Now on this row I use dark green color yarn and make chain 3 and one more chain, total 4 chains. Then into the same space make triple crochet. Then skip one chain and after the next chain make one triple crochet and chain 1. Then into the same space make one triple crochet. Then skip one more chain and make one triple crochet, one chain, and into the same space one more triple crochet. Then skip the next chain and make one triple crochet, one chain, and one more triple crochet into the same space, and repeat it. And in the 4 corners make one triple crochet and 2 chains, then one more triple crochet into the same space and 1 chain. Then skip the next chain and into this chain make triple crochet, 1 chain and one more triple crochet, and skip the next chain and then make one triple crochet, 1 chain and one more triple crochet into the same chain. This is how you continue the process. Now I am making daisy flowers, simple daisy flowers, and make 5 chains, two chains, then make half double crochet, make 9 half double crochet, I have started to make daisy flowers from the corners. First keep the corners and in next 2 chains also we skipped. Then on the 3rd chain make the daisy flowers, and after making every daisy flowers skip 2 chains. Into the 3rd chain make daisy flowers every time. On every 3rd chain make a slip stitch and complete the row. Cut the thread so how beautiful it is. Now I am adding the second color. Here I use the rosy one. First join the yarn, then make 12 chains. After making 12 chains, make one slip stitch into the next chain and then make 12 chains. And after making 12 chains into the next chain, make a slip stitch, then make more 12 chains, and after making 12 chains into the next chain, make a slip stitch. Continue the process till the end, and in the end you will find a nice daisy flower. Now make a slip stitch, and this is complete. Make one more slip stitch, then cut the thread and adjust the yarn. Look, it is so beautiful. Make daisy flowers all the sides. So how is it? Please tell me in the comment box. It is not yet complete. Now I am going to add here tulips and leaves and some butterflies also. Then it will look more attractive. Who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need 4 tulips, 6 butterflies and 4 chain of a pair of leaves. How to make leaves I have already shown in my previous video. Thank you everyone. Now it is ready. How beautiful it is. Please don't forget to share and like.